Hey folks, this is the Filtrete Refillable Air Filter, and the company says it will change how you think about HVAC filters. But after using it for a while, I found something they don't tell you in the ads. In short, the idea is brilliant, but is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's dive in and find out. Filtrete Refillable Air Filter Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Filtrete Refillable Air Filter Kit, released in early 2025, is from Filtrete by 3M, and it's targeted to homeowners who want high-performance air filtration and a more eco-friendly, cost-effective way to manage replacement filters. The big selling proposition, a reusable frame that lasts up to 20 years, plus replaceable filter media, the refills, that reduce waste and storage space. Filtrete Refillable Air Filter Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it feel in real life? I installed the kit in a mid-sized home furnace system and ran it for a few weeks across typical home usage: dust, pet dander, occasional pollen bursts. Right out of the gate, I noticed the airflow didn't feel bogged down, a common worry with high-end filters. The HVAC system seemed to behave normally. Filtrete claims the MPR 1550 version captures 42% more microparticles, 0.3 to 1 micron, than the MERV 12 minimum standard. That means fewer tiny particles floating around your house, a real plus for allergy-sensitive folks. The certified asthma and allergy-friendly badge backs that up. In everyday terms, after installing it, surfaces seemed less dusty after just a week. During a pollen spike, I felt and could see a difference in clarity of air in rooms with return vents nearby. For someone in the 20 to 45-year age range who cares about indoor air quality, this was noticeable. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features and why they matter. Reusable frame, up to 20 years. The idea here is you buy the frame once and then just swap the internal media each year. According to Filtrete, you reuse around 70% of the product by weight instead of disposing the whole filter. That means less plastic waste and fewer bulky filters to store. Big win for eco-conscious homeowners. Collapsible filter media takes up 75% less space. The internal refill filters collapse for storage, which is nice if you keep spares. Filtrete says the refills take up 75% less storage space compared to equivalent traditional filters. So if you buy refills before the heating and cooling season, storing them is less of a hassle. High microparticle capture, MPR rating system. The MPR 1550 variant claims substantially more capture of tiny particles, 0.3 to 1 micron, than standard filters. For reference, MPR is a rating system by 3M for microscopic particles. In practical terms, better for allergens, fine dust, and pet dander. Design and build. Aesthetically and physically, the kit is straightforward and functional. The frame is made of sturdy plastic, claims US manufacture, and feels solid. You get the sense it can last many years if treated well. The collapsible media is lightweight and simple to replace. You open the frame, insert the new filter media until you see a checkmark indicator. Yes, they even have a visible check to show proper seating. In terms of ergonomics, installation took under 5 minutes in my test system. The frame fits into typical HVAC slots like any standard filter. One note, since the frame is thicker, some versions 4-inch depth, you'll want to double-check your system's slot size to ensure compatibility. Pros. Excellent particle capture performance. You feel cleaner air in rooms with this filter. Reusable design plus reduced waste equals smart move for long-term cost and planet. Easy install and storage benefits for homeowners with limited space. Smart app reminders help you stay on schedule and avoid letting your filter degrade. Cons. The upfront cost is higher than basic disposable filters. You're paying for the frame plus refills. You still need to replace the media annually. If you forget, performance drops like any filter. Compatibility check required. Thicker frame may not fit all HVAC systems without verifying size. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a homeowner who cares about air quality, especially if you live with pets, allergies, or just want the clean air feel in your home, the Filtrete Refillable Air Filter Kit is a strong contender. The combination of high performance, MPR 1550, reusable frame, and eco-smart storage and refill benefits make it a good long-term investment. On the other hand, if you live in a rental, you move often, or you're only looking for a budget filter and won't keep it more than a year or two, you might get by with a cheaper standard disposable filter instead.